Manus AI and DeepSeek, two tools so powerful that the United States government is trying to ban them. Today, in this video, I want to show you how you can use these tools to make money fast before that happens. I've put together a Google Doc of all of the done-for-you prompts that we're going to be using together in this video, and if you'd like a copy of them, all you have to do is comment yes on this video, share the video, and like the video, and then I will go ahead and reply back to you with a link to download this for free. As you can see, it is a full document full of all of the prompts so that you can get started making money with these tools before it gets banned. Now, to give you a helicopter overview of this strategy before we get going in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be heading into Google Maps. We're going to be looking for businesses. You can go in and just type in something like HVAC, Orlando, go down to Google Maps, click more businesses, and you're going to be looking for businesses that maybe have something wrong with their listing or something that you could potentially fix. It could be something as simple as like a website missing. Maybe they're not using keywords in their reviews. Maybe they don't have a lot of photos on their listings. It could be anything like that. I'll dive more into detail on this, but what we're going to do is we're going to offer to audit their Google Maps listing, present them with a list of all of the things wrong with it, and then offer to fix it for them for a fee. And don't worry, you don't have to do any of the work yourself. That's where these AI tools come in, like Manus and DeepSeek. But to give you the high-level overview, this is the exact strategy. So with that being said, you're going to need to start off by picking a niche. And you'll find this inside of the Google Doc, but there's some examples of businesses that need help with this, like tree removal, junk removal, pressure washing, roofing. And again, look for businesses with no reviews or very few, no website listed, no photos or bad photos. They can be unclaimed listings, meaning that they have a listing out there, but they haven't verified it as that they're the owner of the listing. Or it could be incomplete hours or info of that business. These are prime candidates for exactly what we're going to implement here. So the next step is that we're going to take this prompt right here in Manus. And the prompt is that you're going to act as a local marketing consultant, audit the business profile for, and then you're going to put in the business name. So let's say that I want to do an audit on Orlando HVAC air conditioning. So what I did is I prompted Manus with this prompt. So just manus.im is where you would go to get access to this AI tool. And what it's going to do is it's going to run. Now, it does take a little bit of time to run this audit. So feel free to leave the window open and go and do something else, or you could do something else on your computer. It's about 8 steps for it to do this audit, but it's very, very thorough. It's something that you could even charge money to these business owners for if you wanted. But what you can do is you can offer this audit for free since you're not really doing anything. The AI is doing all the work for you. And then the list of problems and things that it finds wrong, you can actually charge a fee to fix it. Now, I'll show you what I mean here, but it took about 5 minutes and it gave me back this Google Doc that now I can send off to Orlando HVAC Air Conditioning and show them all of the different things that are wrong with their listing. So on the right side here, right above my head, you're going to see all of the different things that it found. And at the bottom, it gives kind of a overview, like a complete recap. So right here, it says inconsistency in online estimates, right? It says the initial search result preview indicated online estimates are not available, while the about section in your listing states online estimates are available. So the recommendation in this audit, again, Manus did all of this. I didn't do anything, which is kind of crazy, right? You're literally able to make money doing this without having to do any of the work. But the recommendation is verify the correct status of online estimates and ensure consistency across all parts of the Google Maps listing and any other online platforms. If online estimates are offered, this is a valuable feature to highlight clearly and consistently. Now, this is important because you don't want to confuse Google Maps with what it is you provide. If you say one section that you provide something and then in another that you don't, Google is going to be conflicted. They're not going to rank your listing high, and you're going to lose out on customers to your competitors. So these are all different things that you can fix, right? And there's more in here. There's a business description, there's attributes, there's some recommendations about the reviews. And guys, if you don't know how to fix this stuff, I do have a free training workshop that you can attend after this video. It's pauljames.com/maps call. I'll also leave a link, the first link in the description of this video to attend this training. Just forewarning, it is a pretty lengthy training. It's about 50 minutes to an hour long, but that's only because we go in great detail on how to actually fix all of the stuff that Manus is going to find wrong. And the cool part is that you can also use AI to do a lot of that work for you as well. But guys, you can make a lot of money by actually fixing this stuff. I'm talking anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 every single month, because the cool part is that some of this stuff is going to be things that you need to keep doing. Like here, they recommend that you be responding to reviews with keywords in it. And you can leverage AI to do that as well, and you can get paid monthly to do that. So again, if you're not sure how to fix all the stuff that Manus is finding, you definitely want to go and attend that free workshop that I've put together for you after you're done watching this video, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. So that in a nutshell is the audit. So basically, again, to recap that step, I'll show you how to get clients for this next, but to recap that step, you're gonna pick one of the niches that are gonna target homeowners and things like that. You're gonna look for businesses with, no reviews or very few reviews, no website listed, no photos or bad photos, unclaimed listings or incomplete hours and info. And then you're going to audit them, and you're gonna use this done for you prompt that I've put together for you right here to do that audit inside of Manus. Okay, next up is that we need to find a client to actually agree to have us fix all this stuff. So that's where we use the next AI tool, which is DeepSeek AI. So this is DeepSeek, and a lot of people ask me, Paul, are you worried about like China getting access to your information and stuff like that? And the answer is, if you're worried about that, just use an email that you don't use for anything else. Like use a different email to sign up for it. Don't use your personal email or anything like that. And then that way they don't have access to all of that stuff, and just don't type anything in here that you'd be uncomfortable with them knowing. But what we're gonna do is we're going to copy and paste this done for you prompt right here, right? So I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it into DeepSeek. And basically in these prompts, guys, the only thing you need to do is replace the thing that's in the brackets here. So in this bracket, it says the word niche. You're gonna replace that with our niche that we're targeting, which is HVAC. So I'm gonna hit enter on that, and now DeepSeek is gonna get to work, and it's going to give me a proven cold email outreach strategy that we can use to actually get this client to pay us to fix all of the things that it found in this audit. And there's a lot of things that we can actually charge them to fix. We can make upwards of $2,000 a month to fix these things. And again, if you don't know how to fix them, it's on my workshop, pauljames.com/maps call. And I'll leave a link in the description of the video. Okay, but let's check out this email series that it put together for us. So quick fix for business names, Google listings. So we'd swap that out with Orlando HVAC air conditioning, Google listing. Hi, first name. And by the way, if you can find their first name somewhere online doing a Google search or looking on their website or their Better Business Bureau listing, that's going to improve the results you get as well. But anyways, it says, I was checking out, and we would say Orlando HVAC air conditioning's Google listing, and noticed a few easy optimizations that could help you get more calls from local customers. For example, specific issue, missing keywords in the business description. So we would name a specific issue here. Like we would come back and say, hey, one area of your listing says that you offer online estimates. Another area says that you don't. It's confusing. So that would be one thing that we would note. And then we would just say these are simple fixes, but could make a big difference in visibility. I did a quick free audit of your listing. I'm happy to share the full details if you're interested. Would you be open to a quick 10-minute call this week? No strings attached, and then you leave your name. So guys, that's a simple outreach email that you can take action on right now today. Go out there. You can use Manus to run the AI report. You've done literally no work, but you put together something that is of immense value. You can use the DeepSeek email templates, which again, all this stuff is done for you in my Google Doc. So all you have to do is copy and paste, and then use that to send out an email, get them hooked, and then you're going to charge them. Once you show them the report you put together and you walk them through these things, you're going to charge them to fix all this stuff. Business owners are busy. They don't have time to fix this stuff. They don't know how to fix this stuff. They don't want to learn how to fix this stuff. They would just rather pay you to do it for them. And if you don't know how to fix it, you're going to check out my workshop after this video. Okay, if you need help fixing this stuff or getting clients or anything like that, I cover all of that in this workshop, pauljames.com/maps call. It's the first link in the description of this video. and you're going to get paid to do that. Okay, there's other emails in here as well that DeepSeek gives you. They've got an angle on, how a competitor is getting more visibility. They've got another angle here that just flat out says, hey, we're going to give you this free Google Maps audit. So the goal here is that you're going to want to personalize each email, keep it short. And also, guys, follow-up is really important too. Something that DeepSeek didn't point out here that I want to point out for you is that follow-up is important. If you don't get a response sending just one of these emails, go and send them all. Send all 3 of them. Send out follow-ups so that you can actually do that. And there's tools that will automate that for you too. One of them is called Rebump. Okay, Rebump will automate your follow-ups for you so that you don't have to worry about it. So there's literally no excuse to not be making money doing this strategy. You have AI doing the work for you. You have AI finding the clients for you. You have my free workshop to show you how to make thousands of dollars fixing these issues, many of which can be automated with AI. All you have to do today is get started. So anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like it, share it, give it a thumbs up, comment yes if you want these Google prompts, and I'll send them over to you. I will see you next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.